Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about something that every car enthusiast will appreciate, the VViViD Plus Ultra Gloss Premium Vinyl Car Wrap Film. If you're looking to elevate your ride with a finish that's sleek and professional, this might just be the perfect solution for you. This car wrap film isn't just any ordinary vinyl. It's crafted using cutting-edge technology to mimic the look of a factory paint job. Imagine a glossy finish that's almost indistinguishable from the original coat of paint on your vehicle. That's what the VViViD Plus Ultra Gloss promises to deliver. What sets this product apart are its premium features. Unlike traditional vinyl wraps, which can sometimes leave irregularities on the surface, the VViViD Plus Ultra Gloss utilizes nano air release technology. This means you get a flawless application with a finish that's as smooth as glass. Let's talk tech. The Ultra Gloss range from VViViD is designed with a micro air release pattern that ensures no bubbles or imperfections during installation. Plus, it comes with a stretchable protective cap, which reduces the risk of scratches during the wrapping process. It's like having a built-in safeguard for your vehicle's exterior. Now, one of the common concerns with international viewers is compatibility. This product is primarily designed for use in the US, so you may need an adapter or converter depending on your location. Always check compatibility before making a purchase. Imagine cruising down the road with a finish that reflects like a mirror. That's the kind of aesthetic appeal you get with the VViViD Plus Ultra Gloss. It's not just about protection, it's about turning heads and making a statement wherever you go. Wrapping up, if you're looking to upgrade your vehicle's appearance with minimal hassle and maximum impact, the VViViD Plus Ultra Gloss Premium Vinyl Car Wrap Film is a top contender. It's designed for those who demand nothing but the best in quality and aesthetics. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Have you used vinyl wraps before? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more reviews on the best products around.